What is up, guys? Welcome to day 3 here at BDC. So time to get the cameras out of the car and get on track. So at first I'm just going to go up onto the start line as usual, get some shots there, and have a wander around and stuff. So time to put the gear on and get on track. Just setting some of the equipment out with Chris, obviously I'm going to get down over there, the start line, so I'm going to get the gear and get over. So here he is on the Pro Grid on Sunday, your Pro 2 champion of 2022, Mr. Craig McLeod. So get him there. Make sure to go give him a follow on YouTube. Massive well done to Craig. The car is battered, bruised, but is now #1 in the Pro 2 Championship, and he will see pro competition next year. And then there's somebody who loves being on camera. It's actually quieting the car down this week, because last week out in Ireland, under there, it was all straight piped. So as usual, up on the start line, these guys, Colgate's just about to send these cars. Eventually, Craig. Eventually. Track around the S's now, joined by Ian, and the best marshal out there. Sodgy Robson. Yeah, S's are just there. Show you guys, so obviously when you look through what I'm seeing in there, these guys come down the straightaway into that first corner. Nice transition over. Round here onto the Rochester Straight. Nicknamed Manji Alley today. And then into Luna. Today we have a couple of the grasses out from obviously the National Series. PR photographers put them together. Oops. As I was vlogging, we just had a bit of an off. So yeah, hope Arch is okay for that. Looks like the car's held up well. Nothing's been on it. So. But yeah, so the grasses are out today. We've just had Arunus lead one out. Apparently he's supposed to be chasing, so it did prove how quick Arunus' car is off the line. But yeah, when he chases it, he's probably going to be sat on what is the smallest door ever, because it's supposed to be a mini shell, but yeah, it's nothing to do with a minute. On to qualifying now, so GoPro's in hand, gonna walk around. My favourite person whilst I'm on the gridding area. Really loves me being here because I'm getting all the cars and stuff. Yeah, we've got the guys on the start line now, so I'm gonna get the GoPro and move a couple of cars and we'll cut that footage. So we just put the camera in with Week Stew here, so we're gonna get him up to the burnout area now. Get the camera on. Stu's known for his wild driving and excellent proximity. So yeah, having a GoPro in the car with him should be fun. can watch himself back on his TV now and point at it whilst whistling.
Whoop, whoop. Here I come.
I am. Are you going to be putting this in the vlog?
Aye.
Yeah.
And you're in a nice crisp cinematic mode.
Like, share, subscribe, all of that. It's actually quite a good YouTube channel.
There you are. Stephen McDonald, go follow him. Make sure you keep up with him.
Yeah,
He's going to have a mega year next year.
You should take a bigger effort with YouTube. I love watching it. I like the idea of having my own channel, which I do, but I never uploaded it.
Yeah, well, we'll put his channel just there across the screen. Come on, dude. See you in a bit. Oh, this car, I didn't think I'd actually see it back on the grid this year. So props to Matt and the team, especially Jason Clark, for getting this car. Obviously, it's not in its full glory what it used to be. But yeah, massive props to Matt and the team to get this car back out, especially after the wreck of the last round, which if you didn't see the last vlog of BDC, I will put in now. Got the on-track meet and greet now, so all the pro drivers get to bring their cars onto track, and then obviously all the fans get to come down, get autographs, get some signing cards and everything from the drivers. So yeah, it's good to see all these guys down, and yeah, we're gonna get some people on camera and talk to them. There's the guys. I think Charlie's after getting in Mitto's car for a little bit.
My car now. He's trying.
Well, considering you've knocked on the door enough, you might as well sit in it.
I mean, if he can find third gear, he's welcome.
Just gonna sneak the camera in. Kiwi!
Yoo-hoo, big saw blowout! Hello! The camera's in the hole. Camera in the hole? Hello! Hiya! Hello!
Hello!
Hello, chicken nugget! Hello, chicken nugget!
We're on my spot here, we're just overlooking the track. Got the BDC tent there, there's KD Customs tent just behind me. Camera is just here now, and we are into the battles. Stephen Lynch, who we were working for yesterday, has gone through today to the battles. He's just on his first run, but I think he called it the 5-minute rule. He's versus Ergis, so yeah, waiting for his second run. Hopefully he gets a win and gets into the top 16 on pro. There he is, the man, the myth, the legend. Mr. Colgate leading the top 16 on the boosted board. We got Charlie Hume, top 16 versus Jamie Stanton. Jojo versus Martin. Matt Denham in another top 16. That should be a good battle now. Stephen versus Dylan. Dylan's already after giving him a bit of a nudge, even in the parade. Scott, who can never keep the car together, against Craig, who doesn't like to keep his car together. Back on track now after venturing around. It's got Dan just here. Don't adjust your sets. It's not the Egghead Trucker from TikTok. It is Dan Martin from Medium. But yeah, just waiting on the track to go back live now. We're into the third and fourth, and then the final. Unfortunately, this thing, yeah, it's gone dead. Unfortunately, my date is done due to that thing being without a battery. Only one battery does last me all day, but this one, yeah. It's not today. So my plan now is to start walking around, get out of the car, run out for the podium, get a quick shot on this vlog camera, and then see what I need to do to help out with possibly taking some Irish to the airport, which is going to be interesting because one of the motorways is shut. To the briefing room. Charlie. There he is. Your 2022 Pro Champion.
Sweaty Pro Champion. Oh, we did it. Oh my god. It's been a tough year.
Yeah.
So the car was battered and bruised, but we made it.
Aye. Well, congratulations to you, sir.
Thank you.
And we'll see you around.